those.
When is this mostly used? Is this mostly like in architecture or like to see through kind of an X-ray layer view of things?
Sectioning used a lot in architectural, but also if you want to see part of your model and if you want to see sections through your model. So sometimes the models are too complex to be able to comprehend in a full 3D, right? And it is extremely helpful to be able to take away part of the model for visual purposes, but also to communicate with others as to what my model look like throughout if I like walk through it. If you, yep.
Brandy,
So
I also use it if I have too thin to check if the area underneath the stones gets too thin or something. So then I use the clipping plane because then you can measure it exactly. So you can.
Gotcha. I mean, I usually set things up that way, so it's but yeah, I understand. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but if you hollow out a ring from inside and it's all very organic, then perhaps you have an area where it's perhaps getting too thin, so you can check and move through it.
Cutting those sections explains the builder whatever it is a piece of jewelry, a mechanical part, or an architectural building. If you have more than one material, and Raya, I hope you can show this soon. You can hatch each one of those materials completely different, so we get to see those layers inside.
right. That's kind of the next section. But before, and thank you, Andres. Yes, there are a lot of uses, but it's okay if you don't have a use for it. You don't have to use it. You know, it's not compulsory, but this is something that exists there for some people if it's useful.